two-dimensional shape. A triangle is closed two-dimensional shape made by three line segments. If you join three any sides of lines form as a triangle. A triangle is a closed two-dimensional shape, not three-dimensional. This is a two-dimensional shape made by three lines. These three lines, and these three lines are called arms. Arms, yeah, side arm. And we tell arm as a side also. In triangle, how many sides? Three sides. And what is the vertex? Two common starting point is called the vertex. This is a vertex. Two line join this type. This is called a vertex. Then how many vertices there? Three. One, two, three. Three vertex and this triangle three vertices and three sides. And what is the angle? A angle is form of two rail lines. Angle is form of two rail lines. Angle is form of two rail lines. Then a angle is form of two ray lines start from same point. Here one ray and second ray. This type of form is this arc is called angle. Here one ray and this is a second ray. And this any types of any direction join the ray. This is called angle. At this side, this is also one ray angle. At the join this and this. This is also a angle. And each and every types of angles are different name. This is called for straight angle. Okay. Then if anyone asks how many triangles, how many vertex are? Three vertex. How many sides are? Three sides. And how many angles? Three angles. Then three angles, three vertex and three arms means sides. Then how many triangles are sides? Three. Then triangle is the definition is a triangle is closed two-dimensional shape made by three line segment. Not line segment. What is the difference between line and line segment? Difference is line segment is fixed point, fixed length, but line is not fixed length. One point is fixed, other point is freely. This is called line. But line segment is both point are fixed. This type A, B. This is a line segment. Then triangle is form of three line segment. Never you write to line. Always you write for line segment. Then next topic is triangle inequality rules. Means here this rule how can find out triangle is form or not form. Then this find out two types of rules. First is a triangle can be formed only if the sum any two sides is greater than third side. This is the rule if triangle are three sides A, B, C. Triangle has three sides. Then here you denote x, here denote y, here denote z. Then always x plus y is greater than z, y plus z greater than x, and z plus x greater than y. If condition is three conditions are followed, then triangle is formed. Just 2, 3, 5. Then add 2 plus 3 greater than 5. No. Then these three sides are not form a triangle. But 3, 4, 5. One side is 3, second side is 4, third side is 5. Then 3 plus 4 greater than 5. 4 plus 5 greater than 3. And 3 plus 5 greater than 4. Then all three conditions are valid. Then these three sides are formed as a triangle. But these three sides are not formed as a triangle because condition are not followed. Always condition is just you think this is A side, this is a B side, and this is a C side. Always condition is A plus B. Always condition is A plus B greater than C and B plus C greater than A and A plus C greater than B. Always condition find these three conditions is follow, then triangle is formed as a triangle. This is according to sides. Next topic is according to angles. According to angles, this is if you angles are triangle is formed only, if triangles are formed only, so all triangles angles are sum is 180 degree. This one triangle is there A, B, C. If this angle is 30 degree and this degree is 60 degree and this is 120, then you sum angle A plus angle B, angle C. Then angle A is 120 degree, angle B is 30 degree and angle C is 60 degree. Then you sum, then come for 210 degree. The condition is angle A plus angle B, angle C, only sum is 180 degree. If greater than or less than, then triangle is not formed. It's always A, B, C. This is X, this is Y, and this is Z. Then always X plus Y plus Z is 180 degree. Always, not one times, two times. Always follow this rule. X plus Y plus Z equals to 180 degree. Just here greater than 180 degree. Then this is not triangle form. This is a condition. There are two according to sides one condition, according to angles one condition. If angles are all three angles are sum 180 degree, then triangle are formed. If sides are two sides are sum is greater than third side, then triangle are formed. Then next some multiple question is there. Which of the following said sides of a triangle? Which of the following said sides of can form a triangle? Which type? Just here add 2 plus 3 greater than 6? No. Then this? No. 4 plus 5 greater than 10? No. 7 plus 8 greater than 10? Yes, correct. Then C option is, then 1 plus 2 greater than 3? No. Then C option is answer. C only follow 7. 7 plus 8 always greater than 10. One condition is follow 8 plus 10 greater than 7 and 7 plus 10 greater than 8. Then this C option is only triangle form. A option is also not, B option is also not, D option is also not. Then C is the form of only triangle. If one angle is 70 degree, another angle is 50 degree, what is the third angle is? Then angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Angle A is 70 degree, angle B is 50 degree, angle C 180 degree. Angle C is 180 degree minus 120 degree. 180 minus 120, 60 degree. Then option is B. Always angle A plus angle B plus C is 180 degree. Then third angle is fine. Two angle is given. Third angle find out. Then angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree, and angle A is given 70 degree, angle B is given 50 degree. Then find out third angle. Angle C is 180 minus 120 equals to 60 degree. Then here next topic is types of angles, triangles, types of triangle. There are two types of, based on size, there are three types of triangle, and based on angle, there are also three types of triangle. Here, scalene triangles, all three sides are different. Just there, here 4, 5, 7. Means all three sides are different. And here isosceles triangles are two sides are equal. Means here 3, then here 5. Means two sides are equal. Then all sides equilateral triangle, third is all three sides are equal. Here 3, here 3, here 3. Here 4, 4, 4. Here scalene means all sides are different. Isosceles means two sides are equal. Any two sides. Either waist height equal. Equilateral triangle means equal means, and lateral means sides. Means all sides are equal. This is called equilateral triangle. Based on angles, there are also three types of triangle. First is acute angle. All angles measurement is less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree. Just here 60, 60, 60. All angles are. Then this is acute angle triangle. Right angle triangle, second. Right angle triangle is one angle is 90 degree. Then this is called right angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle, one angle is greater than 90 degree. Just 100, then here 50, then here 30. Then one angle is more than 90 degree. This is called obtuse angle. And one angle is 90 degree. This is called right angle. And all three angles are less than 90. This is called acute angle triangle. Same here, some multiple choice of question. A triangle with all sides are equal. All sides are equal is equilateral triangle. All sides are equal means equilateral triangle. A triangle with all sides are equal is called equilateral. A triangle with sides are 5 cm, 5 cm, 8 cm. Here two sides are equal and one side is different. This is called isosceles triangle. Next is perimeter is the total distance around a